Governor Gavin Newsom announcing the opening of a new coronavirus testing laboratory in Valencia. We brought you his announcement live right here on News Channel 3. Taylor Begley spoke to a Riverside County official about how this will likely impact the Coachella Valley.
Anytime you can increase capacity statewide, it's a good thing.
According to Governor Newsom and his testing task force, the new laboratory is expected to increase statewide coronavirus testing by at least 75%.
Now, with our ability to substantially increase the number of tests, we'll be able to distribute and administer tests in a much more equitable way.
We've been tracking the disproportionate impact of COVID on communities of color, on older Californians, on people who are in more crowded living conditions in our urban areas and our rural areas as well.
We are going to be deploying mobile units. We are going to be deploying buses to places where they're needed. We're going to be partnering with community-based organizations, with churches, and with others, so that testing is available everywhere where people need to be tested.
Riverside County says the plan is to focus on increased testing in the farm working and Spanish language communities of the Eastern Coachella Valley in the coming weeks.
If we can work with our community partners who already have a relationship with those communities, they're a trusted source and they would help us get the word out better.
The county says increased testing will help its case rate formula. This formula is used in reopening the economy, but it will also help curb the spread of the virus in those underserved communities.
If we increase testing in those areas, we'll have a better handle on the spread in those communities and be able to slow it down better by having a good strategy for those communities.
Governor Newsom says the lab promises to get PCR test results back no later than 48 hours, but with a goal of turning results in 24 hours. At one point, Riverside County says it was taking over a week to process PCR test results.
People were very frustrated, and they stopped wanting to get tested.
Riverside County Health's Public Information Officer, Jose Arbayo, says quicker turnaround is very encouraging.
It allows us the capacity to do what we believe no other state in our nation can achieve.
Taylor Begley, News Channel 3.
Health officials want to remind residents to stay safe over the Halloween weekend and enjoy the celebration with those in your same household.